Bubble IO versus FlutterFlow, which no-code tool wins. Choosing the right no-code platform can transform how you build apps without needing deep coding skills. Bubble offers visual programming, while FlutterFlow focuses on Google's Flutter framework. Bubble, IO, and FlutterFlow are popular no-code tools for app development. Bubble uses a visual programming interface for web apps, while FlutterFlow generates Flutter code targeting mobile and web platforms. The core difference lies in their approach to app building and deployment. Bubble IO is a no-code platform designed to build fully functional web applications visually. It uses a drag-and-drop editor combined with a workflow system that lets users define logic and database interactions without writing code. Bubble handles hosting, backend, and database management, making it an all-in-one solution. Its strength lies in flexibility, allowing complex app logic and custom UI designs. However, Bubble's performance can be slower compared to compiled apps, and its learning curve is moderate for beginners. It is ideal for entrepreneurs and startups who want to launch web apps quickly without hiring developers, especially when custom workflows and integrations are needed. Bubble's visual programming delivers a powerful way to create apps without traditional coding, but is best suited for web-first projects rather than mobile-native experiences. FlutterFlow is a no-code builder focused on creating mobile and web apps using Google's Flutter framework. It offers a drag-and-drop interface that generates clean Flutter code, enabling apps to run natively on iOS, Android, and web platforms. FlutterFlow integrates with Firebase for backend services and supports custom code for advanced features. Its main strength is producing high-performance native apps with a polished UI consistent across platforms. Limitations include a narrower focus on Flutter and some dependency on Firebase, which might not suit all backend needs. FlutterFlow is perfect for developers and designers aiming for cross-platform apps with native performance or those wanting to export code for further customization. It suits users who prioritize mobile app quality and scalability, with some coding flexibility if required. Bubble excels in rapid web app development with extensive backend control and workflow customization, making it ideal for complex web applications without coding. However, its apps run in browsers and may lack native mobile performance. FlutterFlow, on the other hand, targets native mobile and web apps using Flutter, delivering smoother performance and polished UI, but with a steeper learning curve and reliance on Firebase. For startups needing quick web solutions, Bubble is efficient. For projects demanding cross-platform native apps with high performance, FlutterFlow stands out. The trade-off is between Bubble's all-in-one web focus and FlutterFlow's native app quality with code export options. Choosing depends on whether web flexibility or native mobile experience is the priority. Choose Bubble IO for powerful, flexible web apps with complex workflows and minimal coding, especially if you want an all-in-one platform for web-first projects. Opt for FlutterFlow if your goal is high-performance native mobile and web apps with polished UI and code export capabilities. It's ideal for cross-platform projects that benefit from Flutter's ecosystem and Firebase integration, providing scalability and native user experience.